updating your email address on Google Photos is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your current email address and password. This is the account link to your Google Photos. Step 2. Access personal info. Once signed in, navigate to the personal info section on the left-hand menu. Here, you can manage your personal details, including your email address. Step 3. Edit email address. In the contact info section, find the email address field. Click on it to edit and enter your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 4. Verify new email. After entering your new email address, Google will send a verification email to that address. Open your email inbox, find the verification email, and click on the link provided to confirm the change. Step 5. Update Google Photos settings. Return to Google Photos and ensure that your new email address is reflected in your account settings. This will ensure that all your photos and albums are associated with the correct email. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on Google Photos. Remember to keep your account information secure and up to date.